So guys, I gave the bike a good wash the other day. Oh, I took you away. Give the chain a good scrubbed up. Took the chain guard off. Obviously washed the bike, cleaned the chain. And what did I forget to do? I forgot to clean the bloody chain guard. So, I have now got a spotlessly clean bike with a dirty chain guard. I don't think after today the bike will be clean anyway. Went out last night to the circus. Tried to take the wife and kids home, but not even the circus wanted them. And then on the way home, the gritters were out. It's bloody April. Why is the gritters out in April? So I imagine there's going to be a lot of salt. I'll do. Yeah, the bike's definitely going to need a wash when we get home, because if there's loads of salts out on the road today. So what have we got planned for today? Well, currently I'm heading up to Derby. I am going to meet up with Moist Decoy, Motovlogg UK, Brumtown Rider. Then from there we're then going to go up to the Underman Calf, where we're going to meet up with Dale from Auto Bright. We're going to meet up with Crazy Legs on a bike and Fasty rides. Let's get on with the day. I want to go all the back roads, so through Ashby, Delazouch, Twycross, etc. And I thought I'll let Kalimoto be the judge. So let's see what she does. That's what I like to see. A bigger bike out with a 125. I like to see that. It doesn't matter what you ride as long as you're out there riding. wave. Come on, Richie. Give us a wave. Jay. Give us a wave. Dave, where are you, lad? Come on, give us a wave. Good lads. So guys, what a fantastic day that has been. It's been such a laugh today. So that is Jay brought down to the Midlands, ready for departing for Scotland tomorrow, and Fasty will be joining them on Thursday. And we'll enjoy a few days up there. Fasty, great to meet your son today, Brad. And yeah, all in all, another great day out. Barrel of laughs, and when you're having a laugh you just forget to record. And obviously we were talking about this earlier, and this isn't a job to us, we do it because we enjoy doing it. And sometimes, okay, a lot of the time in my experience, it's user error. I thought I was recording a whole section earlier, pulled up and realised that the camera wasn't even switched on. I'd switched the camera on, thought I'd pressed the record button, hadn't, and then the camera has got a automatic switch off. It did that, but no. So massive shout out to Simon, Dave and Richie for the ride up to the Underman, where we met up with Dale, Fasty, Brad and Jay. Hello. So guys, if you have liked this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button, it all helps. And as always, take it easy guys, and I hope to see you out there. I'll see you in the next one guys.